Sometimes some dust or some other particle goes into your eyes, even a hair can go into your eyes. Immediately there is irritation in the eyes and there is also watering of the eyes. And what do you start doing? You start rubbing your eyes, which actually is further aggravating your pain. So, what is the simple way? Just wash your eyes with clean water. In fact, in a day 2-3 times you must wash your eyes with clean water. So, that is how you can take care of your eyes. Secondly, you should not read in too much of light or in less light. There should be adequate amount of light falling from a particular angle on your book or on the thing that you are doing, so that you can see it clearly. There is no strain on eyes. Never read in moving vehicles. That also is not good for your eyes. Fourthly, what you need to do is, don't read, keep the object too close to you or very far from you. There should be a distance of, adequate distance is about 25 centimeters. So, these are some of the simple ways by which you can look after your eyes. Just like you take bath, just like you brush your teeth, you also clean your eyes with clean water, use right amount of light, keep object at right distance, and no too much of light and less light, and no reading in moving vehicles. And then you will find your eyes will be with you forever. And whenever you are not able to see properly on the blackboard, don't think that specs will make you less beautiful, because if you will not start using spectacles at right time, there are chances that this problem can increase. The number of your eyes will keep on increasing. So, it is better to catch this problem right at the early stage and start using spectacles. Another problem is, when your vision is not right and you are not using spectacles, you will start getting headache, and also you will not be able to see properly. You will not, you are actually impairing your vision. Oh, from impaired vision, I am reminded of blind people. Blind people, or you can say visually impaired people, as these days we call them, they lose one sense. So, they are not able to see. But there was a person called Braille. This person was also visually challenged, but he was very fond of reading. So he developed a kind of you can say a system, the Braille system. The Braille system is a system of dots and a little raised portions which can be felt, and there are 63 such characters. By going through these characters, one can completely read, and there are now many people who have been able to do this. And in fact, there are many people who, though they were visually challenged, but they had determination and they have been able to achieve great things. In fact, many of our musicians have been blind right from the days of Surdas. Ravindra Jain is another Bollywood music director. He is also a lyricist, a composer and a singer, and he is blind right from the birth. Then there is another famous international figure, and she is Helen Keller. Helen Keller lost her vision when she was only 18 months old. But then today we know that she has been an author. She has written books because she was determined to study. Then there is another person, Lal Advani. He has worked a lot for people who are challenged, physically challenged. He also represents us in UNESCO. So these are only some known people. There must be many unknown people in your community, in your relation, who are actually doing very well. In fact, these people, they develop a better sense of feel and sound. So, once they have heard somebody, they can always recognize. Once they have felt somebody's hand, they can always recognize. So, their other senses become more developed. So, although of course eyes are very important, but if you have the grit and the determination, sky is the limit.